Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. Once you have your image pulled up, the first thing I want you to do is to duplicate the layer. Next, we're going to select the Ellipse tool and make sure the path is selected from the drop-down menu. Now I'm going to hold down my Shift key and draw a circle and use the path selection arrow tool to align it with my inner circle in the image. To add text, I'm going to click on the horizontal type tool and then hover over my ellipse path until the cursor changes into a curved line, followed by a left click. Now you can hit delete to remove the default text and enter in your own text. The path selection arrow tool will allow you to drag the text within the circle to your liking. Now I'm going to repeat the steps and use the ellipse tool to create a circle which aligns with the outer circle in our image. Don't forget to hold the Shift key so that the ellipse scales proportionally. Once the new path is aligned with our outer circle, I'm going to click on the horizontal type tool again and hover over my path until the cursor changes to a curved line and then left click. Enter your custom text. Now I'm going to use the path selection tool to flip the text by dragging it over the line. Now I'm going to clean up the text a bit, make sure it's centered. Finally, let's add some drop shadows. So I'm going to click on the layer and click on FX and then click on drop shadow. Make sure to repeat the process for the text in the bottom as well. And then let's compare the before and after. And it looks good to me. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.